Hello everyone. Once again, I welcome you to I Will Teach You ASAP. Today, our topic is all about VLOOKUP. Actually, I'm very excited and I've been thinking a lot how to simplify or how to discuss VLOOKUP in a very basic or simple way that you guys will not be intimidated or you'll find this difficult in using this VLOOKUP. This is one of the most requested tutorial or one of the topics that should be discussed in using Microsoft Excel. So VLOOKUP is actually from the word itself, from the name itself, it's evaluate, looking up for evaluate, V. Okay, value look up. This is very useful if you're working on a list that is actually in a VLOOKUP. You should be working with a to list. So I just prepared it here with the same tab. Yep. Okay, this is actually the same. You will basically be working on a to list. Okay, so if you have a list here, okay, this is not in order. If you're working on a 200 list or 200 employees maybe, okay, that would be very difficult to find it here. You have a source or a reference here. For example, for this list, I have a name, age, and transaction number. You want to know the transaction number, or it could be an ID number or any reference number that you need for this specific person. So what is your question basically is, what is the transaction number of name number 5? So it's actually here, name number 5. This transaction number, this name 5 is actually unique. Okay, this should be unique. Okay, make sure that your basis should be unique from this list. There's no other name 5 here. Okay, so if you're working on a name John could be a very common name, so you can work on with the family name, right? I hope I'm making sense here. Okay, so name 5, I want to get this one, transaction number. I want this to be placed here without manually searching where is name 5. Okay, that would be very tedious if you will do that. So for VLOOKUP, you can input this formula one time and you can just drag it and the Excel will look up the transaction number for you. Easy, right? So let's begin. Type equal sign, type VLOOKUP, open parenthesis, click your reference, your source or your unique cell, name 5. Make sure that name 5 is unique here. Okay. Let me provide you a guide here. VLOOKUP. Okay, unique reference. This should be unique. That's our notes. This formula is not that long. There you go. Let me do that fast. VLOOKUP your unique reference, name 5, comma, highlight your table here. Make sure that your unique reference should be found on the most left side of your table. So this, name 5, name, age, transaction number, Name is found on the leftmost on your table. So let me highlight that one. There. If you really have a long list, okay, what I have here is L18 until L18. There. Just in case you are working on a very long list, you can edit here actually. Make it 500, okay? But since my example here is short, I can simply drag it. Okay, so my reference is J6 until L18. There. Comma. Then I want VLOOKUP to return or to answer my query. My table is from column 3. There. Transaction number is found in column 3 from this red table I am showing you. So place 3 here. Comma, type false, close parenthesis, enter. There you go. Check name 5436746. There, it's correct. And you can just drag it here. There, you have a error there, not available because, let me check the formula. My reference here is J6 until L18. But since I drag it, it changed there. J17 to L19, it will automatically move. So what you will do, from the first formula, type here a $sign between J and between L. In this way, you will be locking the formula. There's no way that when you drag this formula, the formula will be moved. That's the essence of putting a $sign. It's a matter of you're simply locking your formula. Enter. Let me drag that one. There should not be any errors here. There you go. Let me manually check, randomly check. Name 13. There, here, 444. That should be correct. For the sake of providing a sample, let me work on the age. Okay, let's do that again. For the notes, let me complete this one for you. VLOOKUP, unique reference, table as reference. Please drag your table as reference. Column number to return. Then type false. That's what you need to do. Reminder, lock the table as reference by placing this one, $sign. There you go. So let me do that again for the age. The same, equal sign, VLOOKUP. What to do next? Unique reference. So I'll be using the name again, comma, table as reference. I have same reference, comma, but this time I want VLOOKUP to return the age, not the transaction number. So what column number is this? It should be column number 2. Let me type that one and type false. Enter. So name number 5, age should be at 22. There you go. That's correct. So what will I do next? I feel like I'm Dora, like, what to do next?
Oh my god! Wow!
Oh my gosh. There you go. So before I drag this formula, make sure here. Reminder, lock the table as reference by placing a $sign. So let me do that. Oops, $sign. Placing $sign is Shift 4. Yes, there you go. Enter. That should work. Randomly check, name 13, age 31. There, it's correct. Alright, I hope you get the essence of using VLOOKUP. Instead of manually searching to return the value on a certain cell, you can perfectly use VLOOKUP. If you are working on a different Excel file, this is in your Excel file right now, and this one is found on the other Excel file. That's also fine. You can also place it on the other tab, this one. Okay, but if you're working on a different Excel file, I suggest you can just simply create a different tab and copy the table here as your reference. Let me show you what it should look like. Okay, let me get that. Okay, for example, I don't have it here. Let me hide this one. Okay, here, for example, my reference is found here. This is my reference. This one. Okay, so let me try that one. VLOOKUP. Name 5, that's my unique reference. Table as reference is found in tab 2, so you just simply go there and highlight it. There you go. It should return a transaction number, so comma 3, type false, close bracket, enter. There, name 5436. Let me check that. Name 5436, and that's correct. Still, you have to lock this one. There. The difference, guys, is you can see the name of the tab there, reference source. So in locking, just place the $sign again in between, left and right side of the letters of the column J and L. There, that should perfectly work. Randomly check, name 13, 444. There, it's correct. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you were able to capture the formula here. Please give it a try. It's very simple. Just work on 2 files, try it for yourself, and you'll be of great help to your office mates and to yourself as well. So thank you and have a nice day ahead. Bye.